Welcome to this third 5G digits video on industrial 5G and beyond 5G in Europe. After looking at technology trends and regional adoption, this episode focuses on expert validation, what practitioners confirm, where they add nuance, and what their insights mean for future skills, resilience, and industrial deployment. This report is organized through three complementary perspectives. The Technology Watch maps the main trends. The regional landscape shows how adoption is taking shape across Europe. The Expert Validation pillar, which we focus on here, tests those findings against practitioner experience and forward-looking judgment. This video follows Section 4 of Deliverable D 5.1. It complements desk research and regional partner inputs with a targeted set of expert interviews. The purpose was not simply to collect opinions, but to validate the previous findings, identify practical barriers, and reveal critical signals for the next phase of advanced 5G and B5G adoption. The validation process involved 10 experts interviewed between June and September 2025. The cohort included 6 industry experts, 2 academic experts, and 2 public or association representatives spanning 8 countries. This mix helped ground the analysis in both market realities and strategic perspectives. The interviews were organized around 4 main themes: technology maturity and deployment, adoption drivers and barriers, resilience in terms of security, continuity and sustainability, and the future talent profile needed for industrial 5G and B5G. This made the interviews comparable while still allowing experts to add qualitative depth. Experts strongly confirmed that the near-term industrial opportunity is built around a practical core: standalone 5G, multi-access edge computing and cloud-native infrastructure, and private or enterprise 5G. These technologies are not only future promises, they are the most actionable foundation for current industrial deployments. Interview results show that adoption interest is strongest where operational value is concrete. Logistics and mobility were selected by 9 out of 10 experts, manufacturing by 7 out of 10, and public infrastructure by 7 out of 10. This confirms that industrial 5G is mainly pulled by enterprise and operational needs, rather than by connectivity coverage alone. Experts were cautiously optimistic about network slicing and open radio access network. They recognized their strategic relevance, but also warned that full-scale adoption is slowed by orchestration complexity, interoperability challenges, integration costs, and the availability of specialized talent. This reframes these technologies as important, but not yet the main short-term scaling driver. A key message from experts is that resilience is no longer optional. Continuity, security, and sustainability must be designed into networks from the start. Non-terrestrial networks were framed mainly as a continuity and backup mechanism, while AI and automation were linked to assurance, optimization, and energy-aware operations. Experts confirm that the most important bottleneck is not only technology availability, but the availability of hybrid professionals. Industrial 5G needs people who can connect telecom engineering, cloud and DevOps, operational technology, cybersecurity, assurance, and sustainability. Without these translation profiles, pilots struggle to become scalable deployments. For the 5G Digits project, the implication is clear. Education and training should focus first on ready-now capabilities, standalone 5G core, private 5G design, multi-access edge computing and cloud integration, and AI machine learning automation. At the same time, learners and organizations should prepare for strategic enablers such as network slicing and open radio access network. Across all profiles, resilience practices, including security, continuity, and energy efficiency, should be embedded from the start. Thank you for watching this third 5G Digits video on expert validation. Across the interviews, the message is clear: industrial 5G and B5G adoption depends on a ready-now technology core, practical resilience, and hybrid talent. To continue exploring the project, visit the 5G Digits website and the Knowledge platform, where public results, resources, and learning materials are shared with the wider community.